Hi, Michael Britt here. So if you're interested in trying out the little bit of, a lot really, of prompt here for this activity, it's pretty straightforward. So what you have to do is just start up here, begin with goal, and just copy everything. Just go all the way down here. You should read this later, though, because it's pretty cool what we're asking the AI to do. And this is the text. You could copy this into Word, for example, and then start to kind of tinker around with it. But just go into any of the AI tools. Here's the free one, ChatGPT, and then come down here and paste it all in there. You'll see the link to the Psych Central site where it's drawing its knowledge about cognitive distortions. But that's it, and then just hit the, the go or the enter, and it'll take that all in, and it should start asking you a question. Okay, so here it is. Hello, I'm David Smith, and now that's actually up here in the, where I told it to play David Smith. You could replace that with your name if you like. I'll be guiding you through the role-playing scenario, so it kind of explains this and says, okay, first I'd like to know what you know from the reading. And again, this is optional. You could delete this if you want. But what I think is neat about this approach to asking students questions is that, the student could put just about anything. They could be very honest and say, I know that overgeneralizations are a kind of cognitive distortion. And I've even put things in here that don't really make a whole lot of sense, and it deals with them in a constructive way. And so I've asked it in the prompt just to give a few examples, no matter what the person puts in there. Okay, then the next step is it asks you to choose a literary character. So I'm going to just go with, let's say, Captain Kirk, a sci-fi scenario. And then it just starts creating the scenario, and it creates some lines here. I really messed up this time. The entire mission was a disaster because of me. And then it's up to the student as to what they want to say here. Your turn. How would you respond? So what did Captain Kirk say? I messed up. The entire mission was a mess. Okay. It sounds like you may be overgeneralizing. Is the entire mission really a disaster? And every time you run this, the AI will respond in a different way. And so try it yourself, and let your students give it a go and see what happens. I think it's pretty neat. As I mentioned in the blog post, it could definitely be tweaked. And so have fun with that. I'll be doing that as well. Okay, hope this helps.